Following 2 fatalities on State Highway 1 in the last couple of years, it appears the mix of trucks, cars, pedestrians and cyclists isn't working. The New Zealand Transport Authority and the DCC have come up with 2 preferred long-term options that aim to address the needs of all users. The first option would see a separated cycle lane running along both of the one-way routes with cyclists travelling in the same direction of traffic. Option 2 involves a wider separated lane with cyclists able to travel in both directions. The proposal is in its very early stages and now it's up to the public of Dunedin to have their say.
So we really want the public to think hard as a community around what are the issues they see with this, or the opportunities or the advantages, or what questions they've got around it. So we really are after any and all comments around it so we can start to work forward towards trying to get a preferred solution.
Both options will have an impact on parking spaces, with 391 spaces affected under option 1 and 185 under option 2.
There's a real need with this to have some sort of parking strategy to go with it, which is why it's just essential to have the City Council as a partner in this, because we just can't do it in isolation.
Duncan believes they've come up with the best 2 options in terms of providing an outcome for safety for cyclists, as well as providing an efficient and effective corridor for all other road users.
So I think it's going to lead overall to a safer environment and a less stressful environment for the motorists.
From the last 2 People's Panel surveys conducted by the DCC, results indicate that 25% of those people would cycle the route if they were protected from traffic, and overseas research supports that as well.
These types of facilities where people are physically separated from traffic by some kind of barrier, like planter boxes for example, people feel much more comfortable on those types of facilities, and overseas there's been big jumps in cyclist numbers where those facilities have gone in.
It could be up to 4 years before construction starts, and the estimated cost for the project is between $3.5 and $4.5 million. There are survey forms online with more information on the separated cycle lane options, and people are welcome to attend drop-in sessions to be held this month. Dee Karen, 39 Dunedin News.